Hi guys, welcome. This is the Rolux X-Series mower. We're just going to do a quick video for you to show you how to remove the chain cover. For the purposes of this video, we just want to state that this lawnmower has no petrol or oil in, which means we can tilt the lawnmower right back. It's advised that if you do have petrol or oil in, that you only tilt the mower back as far as it allows you to work underneath. Some of the tools that we're going to be using is just the 10mm or 3/8 spanner and ratchet. So we've gone ahead and tilted the lawnmower right back, lying back on its handles. To remove the chain cover, you're going to have to remove 3 nuts. This is the first, found underneath the lawnmower and behind the sole plate. So once the first nut has been removed, we're going to tilt the lawnmower back down into its normal operating position. It will allow us to remove the next of the 3 nuts, so this one and the second one at the back here. Okay, so now that all 3 nuts have been removed, it's as simple as pulling the chain cover off. This will allow you access to the inner workings of the mower.